Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change LED light brightness for your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i. And you can do this only in the application, so you need to open SOUNDCORE app. Of course your speaker should be connected with the application, tap on it as a device list. Then we need to go to the light at the bottom. And right here we have brightness, LED light brightness. Firstly, we need to, of course, turn on the LED light. And now, so right here we have it. To lower your brightness, just move this slider to the left. You can also do something like this and turn off the LED light. So to increase it, just move this dot to the right. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!